Folks, this day started with a lot of clouds, even some fog in a few places, especially north of us, but tonight that has basically cleared out. Plenty of sunshine. Temperatures have really warmed up. It's 94 in Rio Grande City, both McAllen and Edinburg at 89. Then a little bit cooler as you get closer to the coast. 83s up and down Willacy and Cameron County. But that dew point up at 71. That's almost summer-like dew point, summer-like humidity. South winds at about 16 miles an hour, winds coming from the south. Overnight tonight could be some patchy fog again. I don't think it'll be widespread, particularly thick, but there'll be some in the area perhaps along toward dawn. But you look at temperatures, lows in the 70s. For the most part. And then tomorrow for Election Day, you're looking at highs climbing back into the 90s once again. Every place but the island, about 83 at South Padre. Southeast winds continue about 10 to 17 miles per hour during the daytime tomorrow. Here's a look at the next 3 days. We go 91, 91, 89. If this had a fourth day on it, this thing would be down in here somewhere because we are expecting a pretty strong front early in the day on Friday. Then you're going to want your jackets because it's going to cool off pretty significantly for a couple of days, but not until Friday. So between now and then, we deal with days like today. Patchy clouds moving overhead, but really pretty nice stuff. Zoom out, look at the rest of Texas. They're actually a front in the state, but can't really tell, so we'll draw it on there for you. Southerly winds continue here. This front's not going to make it. It's going to stall about the middle of the state tomorrow, and so we stay warm and humid while North Texas cools off a little bit. That front just kind of hangs out in the middle part of the state through Wednesday into Thursday, but eventually it turns into a cold front, pushes back to the south, and it's not here yet Thursday. We're still warm and humid, but much cooler weather will build in for Friday. Likely getting here, I'd say first thing in the morning, it looks like at this point, and then temperatures will tumble. Friday's going to be one of those upside down days where our warmest temperature of the day could be pre-dawn, and it just goes down from there, likely in the 50s by the end of the day on Friday. So a pretty big cool off because of that front. Future Track says a little fog tonight, then tomorrow for Election Day, partly to mostly sunny skies with your temperatures racing back up into the 90s in most areas. You look at Wednesday, partly to mostly sunny again, and Thursday, more of the same. The model's trying to print out maybe a brief sea breeze shower, but for the most part, we're looking at dry, and we're going to keep it dry through Thursday. Friday, though, things change. Here's a look at the rest of Texas. 79 in Dallas, 78 in Abilene right now. You can see Austin in the 70s as well. Tomorrow, if you're traveling someplace, 63 in the morning in San Antonio. Dallas starts at 53. Houston, a balmy 71. Most of the state warms up nicely, except Amarillo, where it stays in the 60s. So for tonight, 72 for a low, partly cloudy, warm and unseasonably humid. Then tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, very warm once again for Election Day. 91 degrees with winds out of the south-southeast at about 6 to 12 miles an hour. So the next 3 days, again, tomorrow, Election Day, 91, one of the warmer November elections, and then on Wednesday, still warm. Thursday, still warm. Friday, it changes. Front comes in. That 71 is a pre-dawn temperature. Temperatures will fall during the daytime. Then we'll recover to 59 on Saturday with clouds and a few showers. That's your updated First 1 5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.